Let's take a look at the short wheel-based Ford Transit with a Gladstone floor plan. As we have a look on the inside, you'll find a drop-down table for outside use. Inside the first cabinet is a Thetford cassette toilet with a service door to make dumping quick and easy. As we move to the galley, you'll find a Norcold 75-liter fridge, additional counter space for food prep, a 19-liter Comet wide neck gray water system that can easily be emptied, followed by a Rev Shell food pantry. This galley comes with a Dometic 2-burner cooktop and sink combo. Tucked away in your closet cupboard is your main electrical on-off, followed by additional cabinets for storage. This van has a Webasto Evo 40 heater and includes 120 volt and 12 volt outlets. All windows throughout are broad arrow windows and include built-in curtains and bug screens. The dinette has a Libert pin table system that can easily be folded and tucked away. It also has the ability to convert into a children's bed. No need to sleep east and west with a Gladstone. Here you can enjoy the 75-inch slide-out bed on the custom mattress with the easily accessible clothing cabinets. You can also enjoy the airflow in the evenings with the Max Fan Deluxe 10-speed fan. Come morning, everything quickly slides back into place. As we come around to the back, you have a massive garage storage space under the bed. Accessible from the rear is your quick fill point for your 68 liters of fresh water, along with a retractable shower hose that pairs with a roll-off magnetic shower curtain. On the left is the full Victron electrical system with 240 amp hour of battery, powered by 330 watts of solar up top. Here you have additional garage lighting with more outlets accessible at the rear. Hope you enjoyed this tour of the Gladstone floor plan.